Y'all, somebody come get your nephew, your play dog, your little cousin, whatever Boomer is to you, come get him. Look at this, those are feathers. Boomer has caught a bird. What am I supposed to do? I put him in timeout, but I don't even know if that was the right thing to do.
Mama, why you put me in my kennel? Am I in trouble? Look, Mama, I know what you gonna say, and I shouldn't have had that bird in my mouth. But listen, I was trying to protect y'all. The bird was in the yard, intruding on our property, and I was like, not on my watch, and I went and got the bird. Now, he started putting up a fight, so I had to rustle up them feathers. But I ain't really hurt him. I mean, he can't fly, but he can still walk.
Not nice.
Oh, I'm sorry if I disappointed you. It'll never happen again. Oh, Mama, thank you so much. Do you mind letting me go outside? I think I need to use the bathroom.
I'm not going back out there.
Wait, huh? I tried it.